What is students? Today I am going to explain you two questions from trigonometry. The first question is solve for theta. Question is tan square theta minus and in the parenthesis root 3 plus 1 parenthesis closed tan theta plus root 3 equals to 0 when theta lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. Or you can say, you can read it like 0 degree is smaller or equals to theta and theta is smaller or equals to 90 degree. The solution is, the given equation is tan square theta minus, and here we remove the bracket and then in the bracket there are root 3 plus 1, both are multiplied by tan theta. So we get here minus root 3 tan theta minus tan theta plus root 3 equals to 0. And then here taking these two terms together, tan square theta minus root 3 tan theta and tan theta plus root 3 in the bracket, then it will be minus here. And now we take common here, tan theta is taken common, then here tan theta minus root 3 is in the bracket. And here minus 1 we take common, then tan theta minus root 3 equals to 0. Now here you find tan theta minus root 3 is present in both the terms. So this is taken common. Then tan theta minus root 3 into, and here if this is divided by tan theta minus root 3, we get tan theta. So tan theta, and this is divided by tan theta minus root 3, then we get 1. So tan theta minus 1, that is equals to 0. So these are the terms. So product of two terms is equals to 0 only when either of them is equals to 0. So either tan theta minus root 3 equals to 0 or tan theta minus 1 equals to 0. So if tan theta minus root 3 equals to 0, tan theta equals to root 3, and you know tan 60 degree is root 3. So in place of root 3 we are adding tan 60 degree. That is tan theta equals to tan 60 degree. Tan cancel, tan theta is 60 degree. In the same way, if tan theta minus 1 equals to 0, then tan theta equals to 1 and tan theta equals to 1 is the value of tan 45 degree. Now tan cancels, so theta is 45 degree. So we can say that theta is 45 degree and 60 degree. This is the answer. Now second question is solve for theta. 4 sec square theta minus 17 square theta equals to 3 when theta is greater or equals to 0 degree and smaller than 280 degree. Sorry, smaller than 180 degree, or sorry, 2 pi, that is 360 degree, because pi is equals to 180 degree and 180 into 2 is 360 degree. Solution is, the given equation is 4 sec square theta minus, and this minus 7 square theta can be written as minus 4 square theta minus 3 square theta minus 3 equals to 0. And now this implies 4 sec square theta minus 4 square theta is equals to, and now these two terms are brought to right side, it becomes plus, and then it is 3 square theta plus 3. Now here we take 4 common, then here in the parenthesis sec square theta minus tan square theta is left, and that is equals to, here 3 I take common, then in the bracket tan square theta plus 1 is left. And we know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. So sec square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta. So here in place of sec square theta minus tan square theta we write 1, so it is 4 into 1, and here tan square theta plus 1 is equals to sec square theta, so it is 3 sec square theta. So 4 is equals to 3 sec square theta. Now this sec square theta is brought to left side, so it is 1 by sec square theta, and this 4 is brought to right side, it is becoming 3 by 4. And you know that sec theta into cos theta is equals to 1, and that's why 1 by sec theta is equals to cos theta, and 1 by sec square theta equals to cos square theta. So cos square theta equals to 3 by 4. So square is removed, then we write here cos theta equals to square root under 3 by 4. And square root under 3 by 4 means root 3 by 2. So this is cos theta equals to plus minus root 3 by 2. And you know that cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. Cos 150 degrees root 3 by 2. Cos 210 degrees root 3 by 2, and cos 330 degrees also root 3 by 2. So cos cancelled, and then theta is equals to 30 degree, 150 degree, 210 degree, and 330 degree. These are the answers. These are the values of theta. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.